Out in the field, gang, quick fly of the Hexa-copter. Thanks for watching my build video that you have just seen. I'm just going to have a quick fly around so you guys can have a squeeze at the footage from my VTX, from my Skyzone goggles, and just have a quick look at the flight of this before I do a more in-depth review at a better location where I can test that fail-safe return to home feature and GPS functionality to the max. So quick video to finish off. Smash that thumbs up, guys, much appreciated. Hexa-copter. Just waiting for 6 satellites before we can take off. Cold start, 3 minutes, 6 satellites, 8. Excellent, pretty good. Okay. Line of sight at the end, guys, but first I'm just going to have a scoot around. I've got the camera fairly low, so we have got mega props in view. 79 meters, 89, 90 from home, pretty good. Just want to give you guys a quick shot of that VTX and the camera, and it looks really nice. I'm just going to slowly cruise. I'll do a very slight distance check. Oh look, it says home excellent, as reported successfully. Right, let's head, let's get my bearings here. Where am I? Okay, I am there. Let's head over here, shall we? 600 milliwatt VTX. I've got her on max now. I'm not going to push it today because I don't want to land on someone's house, but already 200 meters away without any problem of signal whatsoever. 7 satellites. Well, 300 meters. Looking really good, guys. This thing is nice. A little bit of breakup coming back. LQ0, not too sure what's happening there. I will investigate that later. Let's just go for a little bit of a run down here. I'll stick to that road because I know where that is. LQ is starting to break up now because I am going downhill. 23 meters up. Let's go a bit higher, shall we? 30, 36, 41. I am on top of this field here. I think I can quite successfully, even with that battery, I think I can quite successfully push for 500 meters, guys. Which isn't all that far, I know. Altitude's reporting a little bit incorrect. So let's go down the road here. Just low battery. Okay. 450 meters. That's going to do it, guys, for now. I don't have my long range patch antenna on my Skyzone, so I've actually got a lot further than I thought I would. Okay. That low battery's come up. We need to get home. And we need to get home now. 13 volts. Oh dear. Okay. Yes, coming. I'm coming. And we made it successfully. Okay, let's finish off with a quick line of sight. I think you'll all agree, guys, quick flight, what a pearler. I can't wait to take this long range, put a patch antenna on, get out into the open. You can see what I was VTXing through all those trees and all that scrub there. So it's going to be really good, guys. Big thumbs up, guys. Oh, okay, she's spun around. Let's see where it's going. We should slowly climb to 80 meters.